Every one of us goes through times when life seems extremely difficult. We are left alone, we can't pay the bills, we have lost our jobs, or we have lost a loved one. At these times, we wonder how are we going to make it through the next week, but somehow we usually do. Hi everyone, I am Apurva and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, but not all of us are doing good these days because of the thing called depression. Right, depression is such a trend today. From youngest to oldest, pretty much every age group is affected. But don't worry, today I'm here to tell you how you can tackle that monster that occupies your mind. But before that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Subscribed? Okay, let's start. There are some questions that you need to ask yourself when you're feeling depressed, and these will help you to get over with it. So next time you find yourself despairing, ask yourself these questions. I'm going to share an improved method with every question that passes by, so make sure you watch this video till the end. The first and the simplest question that you can ask yourself is, have I got enough air to breathe today? The answer is of course yes. Okay, I know global warming is performing at its best, but still we've got some oxygen to breathe in, right? So why not be thankful for it? Another similar question that you can ask yourself is, did I have enough food for today? We always have it. It's just that we don't feel like eating when we are in bad moods, but seriously, have a look around. Plenty and plenty of people sleep empty stomach, but you have it. So respect it and eat well. Next question. What is the worst that could happen? And even if it did, would I still be alive? So often we magnify things way out of proportion. The worst thing that could happen could be very, very inconvenient, but not the end of the world. Another question that you can ask yourself is, am I taking myself too seriously? Because you might notice that you might lose over a week's sleep over something which your friend would not have given even a second thought. So if no one else is losing their sleep, why are you? And the next question that is really important to ask is, what am I learning from this situation? Balance yourself and be aware enough of the learning lesson that the suffering has to offer you. The happiest people always tend to see their hard times as a valuable learning experience. If things really seem serious, ask yourself that will I be okay for the next 5 minutes? Once you've made it through those 5 minutes, aim at getting through the next 5, and then next 5, and then so on. Bite off one small chunk at a time. Also keep yourself busy. Give yourself a 5-minute job which you can put your complete energy into. We always feel so much better when we are busy. The greatest way to feel good about yourself is to do something for someone else. You spontaneously feel better. It's automatic, it's simple, and it's wonderful. I know it's like fooling yourself to escape from harsh reality, but what is depression giving you anyway? The point is to be happy, so be it this way. And honestly, it is the best and the only way. So get on to it and give yourself the moments of happiness that you actually deserve. Being happy involves laughing at your difficulties as soon as possible after they happen. So just try it. Laugh when there's a problem. It may seem weird at first, but you will find yourself spontaneously happy. And when you feel stable, you will find a better solution too. In a nutshell, life is not that serious. Let's take humor more seriously. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, comment down below, like this video and share it with everyone, and subscribe to get notified for happy doses every time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.